Hello students, today we are going to discuss worksheet 18 for the date 14 August 2020. Now the topic of our today's worksheet is molar mass. Some of part of this we have done in the last worksheet also. So what is molar mass and how it is different from the molecular mass? It's a good question, molar mass and molecular mass. Okay. Now let's see. We have still seen now that amount of matter in a substance is more significantly represented by the number of atoms or molecules rather than their mass. That means कि if we are representing any matter, we are more comfortable with the number of atoms and molecule than its mass. This amount is expressed in terms of moles. That means how many number of moles are there. That will be the molar mass. Similarly, mass of 1 mole of a substance is called molar mass, that is 6.022 into 10 raised power 23 number of atoms we say. So that 1 mole of substance is having the mass will be called as its molar mass, which is equal to the relative atomic or molecular mass of that atom or molecule. In molar mass we use unit grams instead of U. So molar mass is called a gram atomic mass also. So this is the basic difference, that when we say molar mass, it is for 1 mole of a substance, okay, not the total number. So the 1 mole of substance is having the amount of mass will be called as molar mass, and it will be represented with the G value, and when we are writing the total mass, it will be represented as a molecular mass, and that will be represented with the U. So this is the unified mass we say, and it is 1 unit when say it is said to be the molar mass. Now, so when we say the mass of a particle in 1 mole of a substance, it is called molar mass, which is equal to the molecular mass of that substance, and it is represented by M. Okay. So when we write molar mass, you have to remember that we write G, and when we are writing molecular mass, we have to write U. Okay. So the mass of a particle in 1 mole of a substance is called its molar mass. So mass of 1 mole of particle, that means number of particle will be this much, equals to the molecular mass of particle in grams. We have seen in the last worksheet also that hydrogen we write 1G and then we are writing 1U. So just it is writing of G and U, you can remember it. The mass of 1 mole of particular substance is fixed. So relation between number of moles and molar mass we have to find out, and this is the relation which I told you in the last worksheet also. N is equal to, this is the given mass upon the molar mass. Remember, this molar mass for a particular compound is always fixed, okay, which we calculate by adding up their molecular mass of the different atoms. So what is the molar mass of water when we say? So molecular mass of water H2O, that means we are having 2 atoms of hydrogen, 1 atom of oxygen. Mass of hydrogen is 1 and that of oxygen 16. It will be 18U. But when we say molar mass, I told you we have to write it as 18 gram. So this is the difference, okay. Molar mass of water H2O is 18 grams. Remember that molar mass is only for 1 mole. If it has been 2U, 2H2O, then it will become 36 grams, okay. Per unit we are calculating molar mass, but molecular mass of a compound will remain as 18, okay. So this is the basic difference, the molar mass of water and the number of moles in 36 grams. Like when we say molar mass of water and the number of moles in 36 gram, we have to calculate on the basis of this formula. We have been given small m 36, okay, and molar mass of water is, that means capital M, it is 18. So 18 to the 36, so we can say 2 moles. We can easily calculate the number of moles by the given mass. Number of particles, that means molecule in 88 gram of carbon dioxide. So the molar mass of the carbon dioxide will be 44 grams, and how much we have been given? We have been 88. So again we have been given 88 upon 44. so it comes out to be 2 mole. So the number of particles we can write, because 1 mole of any element compound will be having 1 mole equals to 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23, and 2 moles will be 2 into, so it will be 12. Okay, now we come to the question answers. First question, if we say is define molar mass. So what is molar mass? It can be defined as, this is the amount of express in, you can write from here, the mass of particle in 1 mole of a substance is called its molar mass. Okay, the mass of particle in 1 mole of a substance will be called as molar mass. And next question, you can see it. Calculate the mass of 0.5 mole of nitrogen gas. Okay, you have to calculate M. We have been given N, it's 0.5, and capital M we have to calculate. So capital M will be calculated for N2. N2 means 2 into 14, because it is a nitrogen gas, so it comes out to be 28. Okay, 28 grams if it is molar mass, or if you are, now what is N? N will be, N is equal to small m upon capital M. Okay, we have to calculate this one, so it will go upwards and it becomes M equals to N into capital M, and it is coming out to be 0.5 into 28, so it will be 14. Okay, so the mass will be 14 grams. Next question is, next question we will come to calculate the molar mass of HCl. We have to calculate the molar mass of HCl. In this you have to just add up. Okay, HCl, when we are calculating the molar mass of HCl, you have to add up these. HCl 1 into 1 plus 1 into 35.5, so it comes out to be 36.5 U. Okay, or if it is a molar mass, then you have to write G. If it is molecular mass, then you have to write U. Calculate the number of moles in 48 grams of helium. So again, 48 grams we have been given, and helium's molar mass is 4, so it comes out to be 12. Okay, so the answer is 12 moles. Calculate the molar mass of C2H6. So C2H6 I am doing here, C2H6, so 2 into 12 plus 6 into 1, so it's 24 plus 6, and it comes out to be 30 grams. Remember, when we have to write molar mass, you have to write grams, and when we have to calculate molecular mass, we have to write U. So hope you understand all these things.